I've been working on my Roblox game idea recently, and everything was going smoothly at first. I've successfully added a leaderboard, but the next step turned out to be way more challenging than I expected. I tried countless solutions, but in the end, I had to give up. But I couldn't just leave it like that, especially since I have an unfinished series still going on. So, I came up with a new idea that's not only easier to implement, but just as effective as the original one. So, you might be wondering, what's the idea? Well, it's simple. I want you to share your ideas in the comments. I know what you're probably thinking. You are all expecting an exciting, groundbreaking game idea that probably no one has ever made before. And now I'm here telling you that the plan is scrapped. Here's the good part. You can send your ideas in the comments under this video. I'll pick 5 from 5 different people and work on creating them. And I'll make a video about that. Those who don't know, it was a good idea but too difficult. But it wasn't just good because I thought about it, but because I actually described it. So if you want to see how I described this idea, check out this video right here.